Dr. Groot is marketed as a hair care brand that supposedly reduces hair thinning and helps users achieve thicker, fuller-looking hair. But the real question is, does it actually thicken your hair, or is it another hair product with ambitious marketing? Now, to be fair, scalp care and hair care products can play a role in improving the appearance of hair. Healthy hair strands and a healthier scalp can sometimes make hair look fuller and more voluminous. What it does well may improve scalp health. Many Dr. Groot products focus on cleansing and nourishing the scalp, which to support healthier hair conditions, could make hair appear thicker temporarily. Hair care ingredients that add volume or reduce breakage can create the appearance of fuller hair. When the hype falls apart, it is unlikely to dramatically regrow hair. This is the biggest issue. Cosmetic hair products generally cannot reverse significant genetic hair loss on their own. Thicker-looking hair is not the same as new hair growth. Many products improve volume and appearance without increasing the actual number of hair follicles. Results vary significantly between individuals. Some users notice fuller-looking hair, while others experience little visible change. So, does Dr. Groot actually thicken your hair? Short answer: it may help hair look fuller, healthier, and less prone to breakage, but it is unlikely to dramatically increase hair growth or reverse substantial hair loss. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.